There's a new company that has developed a new nanoparticle with diagnostic technology that can take a single drop of blood and rapidly detect the presence of over 1,000 different diseases. How much does this technology cost? Thousands of dollars? No, tens of dollars. What does it mean when you can begin testing for thousands of different diseases almost instantaneously? These technologies are coming sooner rather than later. Trend number 5 that is doubling. Only this one, we're going to go from thousands to millions. Because again, remember, if something doubles 10 times, it's 1,000 times bigger. So today, there are thousands of robots in the manufacturing sector, in the agriculture sector, in the healthcare sector, in the defense sector, but that number is doubling. In the West, just last month, Amazon announced plans to begin hopefully delivering items with flying robotic technology in 5 years. But here's where we already are today. How many of you saw the news from just 2 days ago, what they're doing in Dubai? Did any of you see this? Dubai now intends to use flying drone technology to deliver government documents within the next year. But I want you to start thinking about how a technology like that, related back to the earlier blood sample test. What if you're in the Philippines and there are people on the islands who you can't reach and who you've never been able to reach, but suddenly new technology like this allows you to begin reaching out to them in new ways and getting their blood samples, getting them back, doing tests, and finding out what type of insurance they might need. It might sound implausible from today's perspective, but these technologies are getting better, faster, and more affordable. So what sounds outlandish today could be quite practical in the not-too-distant future. And to show you how fast this robotic future is coming, how many of you know what this technology is? Any of you? It is a self-driven robotic car, and it's now legal in 3 states in the United States. And why is that? It's because on over 1 million miles of California freeways, that technology has not yet gotten in an accident. But think about this. Today, 40,000 people lose their lives in car accidents. The overwhelming majority of those accidents are caused by human error. But if self-driven robotic technology eliminates that, is that going to have effect on your industry? Absolutely. And again, you need to be thinking about these changes not in a couple of years, because Nissan and a host of other companies have said self-driven cars are going to be here by 2020. The next technology, 1,000-fold increase, only this time we're going to go from millions to billions. And this is sensor technology, computer chip technology. Could I just see a show of hands? How many of you already know what a Nike Fuel Band or Fitbit is? So some of you are already wearing this technology. It's sensor technology, and it tracks your physical activity. It encourages you to be healthier. It also monitors your sleep. So in many ways, it's already improving people's health. That's where we are today. But these sensors are going to become more and more prevalent. And the term you are going to start hearing is this, the Internet of Things. By 2020, we are going to connect 50 billion physical objects to the Internet. And they have said this is a $15 trillion business opportunity. I want to repeat that, a $15 trillion business opportunity that we know is coming in the next 6 years. Let me just show you a brief commercial that a company has recently begun airing, trying to educate the public as to what the Internet of Things means.
Trees will talk to networks, we'll talk to scientists about climate change. Cars will talk to road sensors, we'll talk to stoplights about traffic efficiency. The ambulance will talk to doctors about saving lives. It's going to be amazing and exciting, and maybe, most remarkably, not that far away.
Not that far away.